Dear colleagues and friends around the globe, on behalf of the organizing committee of the Swaacelso 2024 conference, I would like to invite you all to attend the conference which will be held in Kuwait on the 15th to the 17th of February 2024. The conference will be preceded by pre-conference workshops between the 12th and the 14th of February 2024. The workshops will be covering multiple aspects of ECLS therapy, including ECMO cannulation, ECMO troubleshooting, ECMO simulation for both adult and pediatrics, mobilization on ECMO, and ECMO debrief for simulation. The conference itself will be covering also multiple aspects of ECLS therapy, involving multidisciplinary care and involving sessions on different aspects of ECLS, including ECLS for cardiologist sessions, ECLS for cardiac surgeons, transplant surgeons, intensivists, and anesthetists. It will also highlight innovations in ECLS therapy and training in ECLS therapy, as well as multidisciplinary care from the different disciplines like physiotherapist, nutritionist, palliative care, etc. So we really look forward to seeing you in Kuwait in the month of February, which is our national celebration month, where Kuwait will be lit with lights, and we really look forward to seeing you all there next year.